In this video, we'll do the initial walk around for the KEK-T based off the MAZ 537. The MAZ 537 was a large Russian military vehicle that has seen many iterations. This is the Wrecker version, designated KEK-T. We'll start at the driver's door and we'll do a quick walk around and pre-trip. The KEK-T designation with the Russian E. 82 is one of the brigades, I assume, from some of the photographs. We have a mirror simulated by a monitor and a camera. Moving back, we have the air intakes for the engines. The real 537 has a 12-cylinder V12. It's about 38 liters. It's difficult to simulate that in Stormworks, so I made two 1x1 20-cylinder radials to try to match the power of it. If we had 2x2 engines, we probably could have done a pretty good job matching it, but we just don't have that. And 3x's are too big. We have dual exhaust ports, one on either side here. If we look, there's a hidden toggle button. Go ahead and press that. It opens the two inspection hoods and maintenance hoods for the port engine. As we move back, there's a fire extinguisher. As we come down, there's another button here. We'll hit that in a second. And we have our fill for our tank on our port side. If we go ahead and hit this button, it says spare tire, not a drop axle. This is simulating the spare tires that are on the real KEK-T. They rotate and they can be dropped down, so you can roll them out and switch out tires. Go ahead and stow that. This is your control panel for your winches and boom. It's currently not powered because we have to turn on the breaker in the cab, but we'll go through them. We have work lights, front winch in and out, front winch length, boom up, boom down, boom out, boom in, boom winch up and down, rear winch in and out, the two associated cable lengths, and we also have our outriggers up and down. This is the total fuel for the two tanks. As we move back, open up our toolbox on the port side. We have ropes and flashlights. Go ahead and move back. This is the outrigger. As you notice, it's in its middle position. That's how it will start until it's powered. Once it's powered, it will automatically go up into the high position, and then the low position can be dropped to stabilize. We have our marker lights, our reverse lights, and our brake lights on either side, work lights. We have two electrical ports. This is for the trailer. I'm going to include a low loader when I release this. If you plug the electrical anchor into the associated low loader, it controls the brakes for the trailer and the lights. We have our boom here with twin winches and a spreader bar. As you can see, the spreader bar is attached, and you can attach to the end here. So just for stowage, put the anchor up like that. And then there's a handle there that you can move the spreader bar with. If you don't want to use a spreader bar, if you're going to use independent winches or you're going to be towing a vehicle, I'll show later in a later video towing this MAZ using the two cables, and you can just leave the spreader bar hanging. Underneath here we have our rear winch. We have our we have our connector for our trailer, and multiple rope anchors for stowage and for towing. Same lights on this side. I'm going to go ahead and open up this box. In this box you'll see welding equipment, flashlights, and electrical cables. So if you needed to connect to a trailer, you could use that cable. We have the starboard fuel tank. This side we also have a spare and the hidden button. And we have our filling port. Fire extinguisher on this side. Exhaust, and we have our toggle button for the two hoods for the starboard engine. We have our button for our passenger door, mirror on the passenger side. We have marker lights and headlights, and we have our winch. These are our tow points. If we're going to tow the vehicle, we'll show you in another video. And we have our spotlight. Alright, that's our exterior walk around and pre-trip, and next video we'll go into startup and basic operations. Thanks for watching.